Hey Shane, this is my puppy, Aries. He wanted to say hi. He started scratching the screen once he saw chocolate, which I kinda hate because now my screen's all fucked up and shit. Anyways, why are you always attacking me? He's always biting me, you know? Dogs. So crazy. Anyways, his name is Aries. See his cute little face. Just showered him right now. His name is Aries. And he's my puppy, about 12 months old, and maybe they should have a play date. Chocolate Charlie, Lily, and Aries, you know, have a foursome. Yeah, just kidding. Maybe I'm not. He's a Yorkie Terrier, and I love him. He's my little friend, and he's also annoying. Anyways, thanks for watching.